Right, just installed the third one, or actually number two. One of them didn't count because it was wrong size. This is the second new unit that I've been able to install. This is an Autozone, cost $200. Duralast brand, lifetime warranty. It's brand new, not remanufactured, so no core charge. I've got it installed and wired up. There's the box. There's my old one. So let me put the old one in the box for now. Let's start it up and see how it does, and I will be back. Okay, I just started the car with the new throttle body and it's running like shit. I'm assuming it's needing relearn, but I can't do that until after the engine's heated up. I did go ahead and try to do the zero position setups when the throttle is disconnected, or I'm sorry, your foot's off the gas for idle, zero idle position. Seems like it's running crap right now. Sure hope it's just the relearn. Did I forget to hook something up? I don't know. All right, well anyway, I'll be back. The engine's got to warm up before I can do anything else. Well, on second thought, since it's running so poorly, I think I'm going to go ahead and try to do the relearn cold, and maybe that'll help it with a better initial starting point. So let me do that. Okay, the problem is the computer is putting maximum fuel in it, and the reason it's doing that is the throttle position, it with my foot off is 1.6. Now, I mean, it's now 2.0. My foot's off the gas and it's showing 2%. But if you look at the short-term fuel trims, it's at 25. So it's dumping too much gas in there. Now if I rev it up, it runs fine. Let me try to relearn the zero position again. I don't know if that has to be hot or not, but let me try it again. Now I got the engine up to temperature, but this thing is running horrible. It smells horrible too. I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna try to relearn the throttle. See if that doesn't help, but ooh, it smells bad. I'm at a loss. I find it highly unlikely that two of these would be bad, but my old one would be better than these. It makes no sense to me, but I have to assume it's bad because I don't know what else it could be. Could it be the throttle pedal resistor itself that's under the dash, you know, by your feet, the gas pedal? Is that what the problem is? It doesn't make sense, because even if it's bad, when you zero the unit, it's supposed to adjust for, you know, variations in the pedal. And also my old unit would zero when the engine's cold, and it would drift up higher when the engine was hot. So that kind of indicated to me the heat was getting to the Hall effect sensor, or whatever they're using in these things to sense a throttle position. So I have to assume this is bad. I'm going to take it back to AutoZone and swap it and see if that makes a difference. That's all I know what to do at this point, but that's going to be it for this video. If anybody has any ideas, please post your thoughts.